How to know when AC replacement is needed in what is turning out to be another summer of record-breaking temperatures all over the country. Both homeowners and commercial businesses are cranking up their air conditioning units to combat the sweltering heat. Because of this, people are seeing unusually high spikes in their electricity bills, leading many to consider replacing their old cooling units with new energy-saving HVAC systems. HVAC, heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems maintain good airflow and climate control throughout homes and buildings, and are instrumental in keeping these spaces free of mold and other harmful airborne pathogens and organisms. What was once an expensive installation process and high-maintenance apparatus, today's HVAC systems are self-sustaining, energy-efficient heating and cooling units that come with money-back installation guarantees and payment plans for both residential and commercial sites. There are many companies around the country that will send NATE-certified replacement technicians to your door to conduct free on-site inspections of your current AC setups. They will perform a seasonal energy efficiency ratio, or SEER test to give you an idea of how efficiently your AC units are converting electricity into actual cooling comfort, as well as an annual fuel utilization efficiency check, AFUE, to calculate how much your furnace dollars are going into heating your home or commercial building and how much is going up in smoke. Unfortunately, many of these older units are not as effective and AC replacement is ultimately recommended. Technicians will give you free evaluations to determine the size and scope of your building, be it residential or commercial needs, or what size units will give you optimum efficiency while lowering your energy bill at the same time. This upgrade goes beyond just the scope of your personal finances. Most of the energy sources in our country come from fossil fuels and other finite sources, and with air conditioning systems using around 50% of a building's power usage, inefficient units are not only uneconomical, they are wasteful and harmful to the environment. Replacement of your old units with state-of-the-art HVAC systems can lower your energy costs as well as your carbon footprint, both of which are important to your future as well as to the future of your children. Whether you have a cozy condo that can be covered with a small, name-brand unit, or a giant skyscraper in need of a full commercial HVAC system, these technicians have the equipment and know how to get the job done. Moreover, air conditioning companies usually have payment plans set up for both the price of the equipment and the soft costs of installation and labor. A few select companies even offer service and money-back guarantees on all of their AC units and back up their installation service by offering free replacements and system checkup plans for the initial year, and extended warranties for the following years. If you've noticed that as the temperatures rise to astronomical levels, so does your power bill, you could be overpaying hundreds of dollars a year in wasted energy consumption and may be in need of an AC replacement. Be it a small unit for a residence or a commercial HVAC setup, heating and air conditioning companies in the Atlanta area on hand to help you get the job done. Article source: https://ezinearticles.com/expert/Brian_Filioli/33320